Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vivan Education. So we are discussing chapter 4 Exponents and Powers. In first class we completed introduction and laws of exponents. In second class we started exercise 4.1. In that we completed first 4 sums. Yes, if you missed those 2 classes, I given link in description. You can check that one. Today we are going to discuss about remaining sums of exercise 4.1. Remaining from 5 to 10 we'll discuss today. Fifth question is what? Simplify and give reasons. So we given fifth bit 2 questions. Okay, we'll solve that one. First one, the question is 3 square minus 2 square is divided by 1 by 5 and total whole to the power of 2. Remember whole square given. Okay, we had to solve this one. So we'll solve this one first. This is what we'll start with brackets. We'll complete these brackets first. 3 square means 9 minus 2 square means 4 is divided by 1 by 5 and a total whole square is there. Then clearly 9 minus 4 is what? 5 is divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Right? So this is equals to 5. Division becomes multiplication when this fraction becomes a reciprocal. 1 by 5 becomes what? No, 5 and a whole square. Now clearly we know 5 into 5 how much? 25 whole square. Nothing but 25 whole square. Nothing but 25 into 25. Nothing but 625. Okay, or else you can take a 5 square into 5 square. Again you will get a 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 also nothing but a 625. Therefore, what we can conclude here, 3 square minus 2 square is divided by 1 by 5 whole square is equals to 625. Yes, is it clear? That's it. Next one. Second one is given as what here? Question is 5 square whole cube into 5 to the power of 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. Okay, if you observe here clearly, this is in the form of a to the power of m whole power n. Nothing but what the formula a power m into n, nothing but mn. So m into n. So 2 3s are 6. So 5 to the power of 2 3s are 6 into again 5 to the power of 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. Clearly these two, see if you observe here bases are same. We know the formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Then 5 to the power of 6 plus 4 is divided by how much is there here? 5 to the power of 6. Right? Nothing but this is equals to 5 to the power of 6 plus 4 is how much? 10 by 5 to the power of 6. Right? Or you can take nothing but again. So this one will convert again in the power of 5 power 6 into 5 to the power of 4. So think this step here, this step not is there. Think it is again from this step on we'll do here, we'll continue here. So you can take like this or else you can take directly here 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 6. Again numerator, denominator will be cancelled. Then the answer is what? 5 to the power of 4. Nothing but 625. But 5 we have to multiply 4 times. Or else you can take 5 power 10 by 5 power 6. Then what will happen? We know the formula a power m by a power n is equals to a to the power of m minus 1. Then 10 minus 6 is equals to 5 power 4. Again with the same answer. So this is a cancellation form we done. This is a formula a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. Nothing but 10 minus 6 is 4. Again 5 power 4 nothing but how much? 625. You can do like this or else you can do this cancellation also. You will get the same answer. Therefore 5 square whole power of 3 into 5 to the power of 4 is divided by 5 to the power of 6 is equals to what is the answer? 625. Yes, is it clear? This is about what? 5th bit. Next 6th bit. Find the value of n. So we have to find the question is find the value of n each of the following. So we are having here 3 questions. Okay. In each case we have to find the value of n here. So the question is what is the First one, 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2 is the question. So in this case, what you have to find? We have to find the value of n. And we'll do solution here. Again, let first what is the given? 2 by 3 whole cubed into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Okay. If you observe here in multiplication, these two bases are equal. We know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So we have to take common base. What is the common base is there here? 2 by 3 whole to the power of m plus n, then 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. Now clearly we can say that what is there here? Bases are equal. See, these bases are equals. Now we have to equate the powers. If the bases are equal, we have to equate the powers. Okay. If a power m is equals to a to the power of n, then we have to equate the exponents. What is there here? M equals to n. Nothing but these two we have to equate. Then 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Nothing but here n minus 2. Now transpose the n is equals to 8. If you transpose the minus 2 becomes plus 2. This implies n equals to 10. Therefore the value of n in this given question is how much? 10. If you observe here, 3 plus 5 is 8, right? Then n value how much we got? 10. 10 minus 2 also 8. Yes, we got LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore this value is correct. Yes. Then second question. So what is the second question is minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 whole to the power of 5 is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Okay, again same process. If you observe here again, having same basis, we have to add the exponents. Something but a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Again common basis there, we had to add the exponents, you will get the answer. So we'll write step by step process. Then minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 whole to the power of 5 is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. We know that the formula. So here we not written, right? Here I am writing again. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So common base, what is it here? Minus 3 whole to the power of, add the exponents. What is it here? N plus 1 plus 5. Okay, we are adding is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. This implies minus 3. Now n 1 plus 5 how much? 6 is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Again here bases are equal, we have to equate the exponents. What is it here? N plus 6 is equals to minus 4, right? This implies n is equals to minus 4, transpose the plus 6 becomes minus 6. This implies n is equals to, we know when two negatives are there means we had to add and we had to give the negative symbol. Then answer is what? Minus 10. If you replace n value as here minus 10, you will get the value both LHS and RHS are equal. If you want to miss, you can check here minus 10 here. Minus 10 plus 1 is what? Minus 9. Minus 10 plus 5 is what? Minus 4. Yes sir, we got LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore value of n is equals to how much here? Minus 10. Yes, is it clear? That's it. Now next one, third one. What the question is a 7 power 2n plus 1 is divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. Here also what you have to do, we have to find the value of n here. So same process we'll do here, but we know 7 is a factor of 49, right? 7 7 is a 49, right? First we'll write the here given question 7 power 2n plus 1 is divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. So this one I am writing as 7 power 2n plus 1 is divided by 7 square, right? 7 into 7 is 49. Nothing but this one I'm writing as 7 square is equals to 7 to the power of 3. Now we know the identity. We know the formula. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. Is the formula. Already we know this one. Now here, what is the common base is there here? 7. This implies 7 power. M value what is there here? 2n plus 1 minus n. N value what is there here? Minus 2 is equals to 7 to the power of 3. Clear? It is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. Then what is the formula? A power m minus n. M is 2n plus 1. Minus is there? Minus I kept a. N value 2. I replaced here. This implies now 7 power 2n plus minus alternative means we have to do subtraction. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 1, 2, 2 is a greater number having minus symbol. So keep minus symbol. Is equals to 7 power 3. Again here bases are equal. So if we know the formula, if a power m is equals to a to the power of n, we have to equate a exponent. Nothing but m equals to n. Bases equal, nothing but also we have to equate. Nothing but what we will get here? Then 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. These two. Right? Then what you will get here? 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. Then 2n is equals to 3. Transpose minus 1 becomes plus 1. This implies 2n is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4. Then n is equals to 4 by 2. Because we know, well, multiplication, if you transpose to the RHS side, multiplication becomes a division. Then 2 ones and 2 twos are. This implies n equals to 2. So therefore the value of n is equals to how much here? 2. Then you get the both LHS and RHS are equal. If you have dot, you can check here. So what is this? Here you replace here. 2, right? 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Right? As a formula, m minus n. Then 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So you will get the same answer here. Right? So this is about the question number 6. So we completed question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7 now. What's the question given? Find the value of x. Nothing but find x if 2 power minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 power x. We had to find the value of x here. Solution. So what is given? 2 power minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 power x. So we know the formula. A to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. Or else you can write 1 by a to the power of n is equals to a power minus n. There you can, now you can change 2 power minus 3 or 1 by 2 power x. If you change anything, you will get the same answer. So first we will change 2 power minus 3. Now it is in the form of a to the power of minus n. What is the formula? 1 by a power n. Now this one we can write as what? 1 by 2 power 3 is equals to 1 by 2 power x. See, this base are equals, we have to equate these two. Nothing but x equals to 3. That's it. Then x equals to 3, you will get both the LHS and RHS are equal. When it becomes numerator, it becomes minus. Then these two will be equal. Or if you want to change 1 by 2 power x. So 2 power minus 3 is equals to 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n is equals to what is the formula? A power minus n. It becomes 2 power minus x. Then bases equal. This we have to equate these two. Then minus 3 is equals to minus x. Minus minus will be cancelled. Then x equals to 3. You will get the same answer. Okay. In both methods you will get the same answer here. Right. This is about what? Question number 7. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 is what? Simplify 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 close brackets into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. Yes, this is a question which he given. So this is a very very important question. This is a 8 marks question actually. So what the question given? 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. Now we have to simplify this one. Solution, first we'll write what is given. 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 into, divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. We know the formula. What is the formula? A by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of n. If you want to change the power negative, we have to do reciprocal of the given fraction. Then you will get a positive. Then you will get the positive term. Now 3 by 4 reciprocal, it becomes what? 4 by 3 whole to the power of 2. Then the power becomes what? Positive. Minus becomes plus. Is a divide. So one should check. Is a division only. Divided by this becomes what? 4 by 5 becomes what? 5 by 4. And the negative becomes positive. Completed, close brackets, into, again this becomes reciprocal, means what becomes 5 by 3 whole to the power of plus 2. So just we are doing a reciprocal of the given fractions to change the symbol as a negative to positive. Now 4 by 3 whole square, again division becomes what? Multiplication. Division becomes a multiplication when the fraction becomes reciprocal. Division becomes multiplication. Now reciprocal of 5 by 4 is what? 4 by 5 and a whole cube into 5 by 3 whole square. Now we have to simplify this one, right? So a by b whole power n, a by b whole power m is equals to formula a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Nothing but 4 square by 3 square into 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Clear? Now if you observe here, so will all terms will convert to the numerator, or else we can do like this also. So what it becomes? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Nothing but 4 power 2 plus 3 is what? 5 into 5 square by these two. If you check here, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, then 3 power 2 plus 2 is 4 into 5 cube is there, numerator 5 square is there. 5 cube we can write as 5 square into 5, right? 5 cube 5 square into 5, because 2 plus 1 becomes again 3. So 5 square will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining? 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 1 is the answer. 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 1. Or if you want to change this whole term whole into a single term, means 4 to the power of 5 into this becomes what? Numerator means 3 power minus 4 into 5 power minus 1. So this one or this one, both are correct only. This is clear. Just you have to know the formula a by b whole to the power of minus m. Nothing but just you have to do reciprocal. This minus becomes positive. We done that one only, everything in first step. Yes. Then division becomes what? Multiplication. Again this fraction we are doing a reciprocal. 5 by 4 become what here? 4 by 3. 4 by 5 whole power 3 into 5 by 3 whole square. Just we are repeating these terms. Because why we are writing here 4 square by 3 square means we know the formula a by b whole power m is equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So we repeated those many times. Okay. So this is the formula of a power m into a power n. Nothing but m plus n we are adding here, we got. 3 square and 3 square same formula we added here. Numerator 5 square is there, denominator 5 cube is there. To cancel this one, 5 cube I am writing as 5 square into 5 power 1. Nothing but again 2 plus 1 becomes 3 only. 5 square will be cancelled. Then the answer is what? 4 by 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 1. Or else if you want to miss, you can convert 1 by a power n is equals to a power minus n. You will get this answer. Okay. Just while doing, just do step by step, you will get it very easily. If you have done once again, you recall, you will get it very easily. Right? Next one. Question number 9. So question number 9 is what? If m equals to 3 and n equals to 2, given values m is equals to 2, n is equals to m is equals to 3, n is equals to 2, find the values of. First one is 9m square minus 10m cube. Second one 2m square n square. Third one 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. Okay, after completing we'll do last one. Okay, solution given what here, 9m square minus 10m cube, both are m only, so this is n. So m value given as 3, n value given as 2. Replace it simply here. This is equals to 9 into m value given what here, 3. In the place of m, I am replacing here 3, and this m having what, square. So I am writing square as it is. Symbol minus is there, I am writing minus as it is. And then 10 is there, writing 10 as it is. N cube, n value given as here into 2, and n having cube, I am writing cube as it is. Then 9 into 3 square means 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 10 into 2 cube means 2 we had to multiply 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, don't do 2 3 are 6. Okay, 2 we had to multiply 3 times. Then 9 9s are 81 minus 10 8s are 80. This is equals to 81 minus 80 is what? 1. Answer is 1. Therefore 9m square minus 10n cube is equals to what is answer? 1. Clear? Just I am replacing m value and n value in the given question. Now second one. What is second one is there? 2m square n square. Then 2 into m value given as here what? 3, and m having square, so writing square as it is, into n square. N value what is there here? 2, and n also having square, so writing as it is. Then 2 times of 3 square means 3 into 3, nothing but 9. 2 square means 2 into 2 is 4, right? 2 9s are 18, 18 4s are 72. Therefore 2m square n square is equals to what is the answer? 72 is the answer. Just replacing the values, we will get the answer. Now third one. What is the third one? Is a 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. So having somewhat lengthy, but it is easy only. Just we have to replace the values. So 2 into m value what is there here given? 3. Now here m having what here? Cube. Yes, I am writing cube as it is. Plus 3 into n square. N value given as here 2. In the place of n replacing here 2 and n having square. So writing as it is. Then symbol what is here? Minus 5 into again m square. M value is what here? 3. And 3 having here square, writing as it is, into n. N value is 2. So n doesn't have any square or cube. So writing only n value as 2 here. Now this is equals to 2 into 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 you had to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Plus 3 into 2 square means 2 into 2 is what? 4. Minus 5 into 3 square means 3 into 3, 9 into 2. Right? So just we expanded what is the having square terms here. Now we have to do multiplication here. So every term we will do now multiplication. Now 27 2s are 54 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 5 9s are 45. Right? 45 2s are 90. Now just I am adding here 54 plus 12, 50, 60, 64 and 66 minus 90. Now 90 minus 66. 10 minus 6 is 4. This is 8 minus 6 is 2. So how much you got here? 24. So 64 and 90. 90 is a greater number having which symbol? Minus. So the answer is what? Minus 24. Therefore what we can conclude here? 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n is equals to minus 24. Right? So you had to multiply. Just you had to remember here only one thing is what? 3 cube means don't do 3 into 3. If you do that like that, that will be wrong. That indicates what? 3 we had to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. If you know that one, you will get the exactly correct answer. Okay? Now, fourth one. The fourth one, what is it? M power n minus n power m. So same in this bit only. Last one, fourth one. M power n minus n power m. Solution. M power n minus n power m. So m value how much is there here? 3. And the power n, nothing at n value what is there here? 2. Minus n value what is it? 2. M value what is it? 3. That's it. Now 3 square means what? 3 into 3. Nothing but how much? 9 minus 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then 9 minus 8 is what? Answer is 1. Therefore we can conclude what? M power n minus n power m is equals to 1 is the answer. Right? So this is about what? Finding the values of. Given m value and n value, simply we are replacing and we are multiplying. How many times is there? Cube means we have to multiply 3 times, square means we have to multiply 2 times. That's it. So multiplication, adding and subtracting, we are getting the answer very easily. Right? This is a very, very easy bit, this one. Next one. Last question is what? 10th question. Here we'll do, right? Okay, no problem. 10th question. So last question, what is the simplify and give reasons? Last one. 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. So this one we had to simplify. Solution. First we'll write what is given. 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. Now check it here. 4 by 7 and this is 7 by 4. If you do reciprocal means that these two bases will be same, right? So we will change any one. We know that formula. What is the formula? A by B whole to the power of minus m is equals to reciprocal what? B by A whole to the power of m. This negative becomes what? Positive. This is equals to, this one becomes what now? 7 by 4 whole to the power of 5. This negative becomes positive because we are doing a reciprocal. Into this one I am writing as is. It becomes what? 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. Now if you observe here, these two bases are same. You know the formula. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Right? This is equals to, same is there, 7 by 4 I am writing as it is. Then what is there here? 5 to the power of minus 7. 7 by 4 whole to the power of 5, because here plus is there. Plus into minus is minus 7. Then what will happen here? 7 by 4 whole to the power of 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2. Because 7 minus 5 is what? 2. But 7 is a greater number having minus symbol. So minus I kept here. Now again, if you want to convert this negative into positive, we had to do reciprocal of the given fraction. 7 by 4. Reciprocal becomes what? 4 by 7 whole square. Now what will happen here? This becomes a 4 square by 7 square. Why? Because with the formula a by b whole power m is equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Nothing but 4 square means 4 into 4 is 16. 7 square, nothing but 7 into 7 is what? 49 is the answer. That's it. Therefore, what we can conclude here? 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7 is equals to 16 by 49 is the answer. Okay, so this is about in the question. So if you had doubt, once again you check slowly, you will understand this one. Okay, every sum is like that only. So with this our exercise 1 is completed. First exercise, total 10 sums we discussed here. Each and every problem with the formula. So just you have to learn the formulas first. If you know the formulas, it will be easy to you. So total introduction. So successfully we completed exercise 4.1. In next class we'll continue exercise 4.2. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you so much.